Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Havasu Lodge number 64 here in Lake Havasu, Arizona. And it looks like that building right there. Kind of Aztec-y, isn't it? A little bit. Doesn't look like a big lodge, but who knows? There may be an upstairs, downstairs to this place. About ready to go inside and take a look and see what's shaking. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life Masonic edition. Inside, just like I thought. There is an upstairs, downstairs of this place. I got some artifacts in here. Looks like dinner's down there, and the meeting room must be up there. Well, good news, we are inside. You probably first notice is the ceiling's a little low compared to most lodges. There's several lodges that actually have lower ceilings than this, but this is, and when you do that, your steps here tend to be a lot shorter. So, but we're definitely inside here, like the mosaic there. We're gonna look at that in just a minute. So we're down here, and you see there, typically we see these staffs. Well, this is on the other side of the door. I don't think I've ever seen one on the other side of the door. Normally these staffs are located right here, or where these are, and the seats are up here. But anyway, of course, is where your junior deacon would sit in that chair. And I really like they've got a lot of these. These are embroidered. I think nope, they are not. These are screen printed. They got these from another lodge in Kingman that was a daylight lodge, from what I gather. It's always nice if you have a lodge that go dark that you use their stuff. I like this. Like this was put on after the fact because it's a different color, isn't it? Like the color in this video is a lot better than this color. This color here is more of a brown. It almost looks red. But those are good. I like that. Senior Warden got him laying down, and check out this. That's what he's going to use the pound on. Yeah, that's holy right there. That's neat. I don't think I've ever seen it. Looks like just a big chunk of wood. It's nice and flat though, and it's got a piece of felt on the bottom so it doesn't scratch anything up. I like that. That's great strength. Nothing there. And this 70s kind of, I don't think I've ever seen them built like this, but look, everything matches. Back here, that's nice. I have seen some of these where that would also match the bottom part of the columns, but not in this case. Good sized columns. About 7.5 feet tall, because the ceiling is about 8, maybe. I used to have one of those in my house back in Indiana when I was a boy. Good, nice, good looking. They've got a rope on these, which basically these being on casters, I would imagine that they would pull these so they could pull that rope out and actually drag these out a little further. Looks like they may not be on cast. It might just be sliders, which is what this plexiglass looks like. Some type of plexiglass around this edge here. But it still looks good. They're in good condition. I like the lily work. Looks great. Sometimes you see the lily work that comes out this way, actually sticks out from it. But, I can see they've got some new air conditioning units in here. Seeing a lot of lodges go to that, especially some of the older lodges. Got 2 rows of seating all the way down. Seating in the north, looks like they're wired for sound also. Right there. I don't think I've seen this. Ooh, we've seen this before, the lodges, just maybe not this exact depiction. See Father Time there. And we've got some Order of the Rainbow Girls, Order Eastern Star. Their charters. We actually had Rainbow Girls in here now. Of course, if you ever see a piano, normally there's definitely Eastern Star located somewhere in here. See what they got here. Black cubes and white balls. No black balls in there. A nice logo. This is a pretty standard, what we see in a lot of lodges. Is this one here. Normally you're going to have something soft in here. This isn't very soft. It's a little soft, but it's not real cushy. But it looks good. I like it. It's in great condition. Eastern Star logo up there, American flag there, and you got wisdom here for their master. This is a nice rock here. What's it say? Yule Marble, from this same color according as the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. Wow, interesting. Always something unusual for from different lodges. And check out this gavel. He actually referred to it as Thor gavel. Nice band. It's just in great condition. It says United States Navy on it. Master must have been a Navy guy. Good looking though. Another one of our blocks here. It's actually got this sitting up, so it makes this chair higher than the one next to it, even though the back is already higher, but it makes it even taller. So that's pretty interesting. And you got your 3 steps here, which are smaller than, they're not a full set of steps. It's a good looking flag there. We use that in parades. Secretary. Got your charters here. You can see charters online. Typically, if you see a York ride or something like that, they'll have their charters in there also. So Scottish Rite. They may have a club where it meets here. Junior Warden sits. Take a look at this. So here we got Junior Wardens. Got a nice logo on that. There's Gavel, another. Again, you don't see a lot of these. I don't want to pick it up. But it's got a felt on the bottom of it. Don't see a lot of those. And here we got a point within a circle. We were just talking about that. You see this definitely a lot in Florida lodges. It's required that they have those. In other jurisdictions, some other jurisdictions it's required, and some of you definitely got to have it so that there's people when they're doing degree work and stuff, they explain it to them.
Yeah.
And let's look at the altar here a little bit. I like the mosaic around the edges. And normally if you ever see 5 of these, that's telling you that there was a Eastern Star is either typically is here, or because they'll set their lights around the edges. So that is definitely for Eastern Star. And that looks good. I like it. Ooh, stepping on stuff. Got the Bible here. It's got the name embroidered on it. That's nice, or screen printed on it, I should say. My Bible, New Testament. Definitely Masonic Bible. Building King Solomon's Temple. Freemasons who were present. Gives you a nice list here. And internal workings, Freemasonry. Tells you about this. We've seen this in a lot of other. This is really good condition. It's a fairly new Bible. I can tell by just feeling it. Guide for religious works. Nice. That's all we're going to do with that there. I'll put this back in the right position that they like it. And they got it lined here with their page markers. Good looking. So if you're a Mason and you're ever interested in joining a lodge, or you want to go visit a lodge, come check out Havasu Lodge number 64 here in Lake Havasu, Arizona. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me, and about to have a good meal downstairs. In fact, I'm a little hungry right now, so I may just go on down and get something to eat. But come on out and join these brothers and break some bread. But I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I'm just out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.